A smart man learn from his mistake, but a wise man learn from mistake of others. Mid of 2023 हम लोग जिम में मिले. We talked and quite like each other. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा चल रहा था, मगर फिर धीरे धीरे कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आने शुरू हुए एंड मुझे फीलिंग आने लगी कि बस अब वन साइडेड बचा है ये. बट मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड को खींचता गया. It snapped. In March, she got engaged. My dream was shattered. I was crying my eyes out, begging her to stay. This is the first girl I made connections with. I was very attached to her. My favorite person turned into a life lesson, and this is what I learned. This happened quite early. I heard from my friends कि उसके दोस्तों ने मेरे बारे में पीठ पीछे उसके सामने क्या कहा. They said and I quote, किसके साथ लगी है भाई तू, कैसा दिखता है वो, का कोई विजन नहीं है फ्यूचर के लिए, तुझे से कितने अच्छे मिल जाएंगे. और तुम्हें पता है उसने क्या कहा? कुछ नहीं, nothing. She didn't defend my honor behind my back. At this point of the time, punched a guy in the face who said bad things about her. I should have confronted her about this. तुम्हें सबसे पहले खुद की रिस्पेक्ट करना सीखना होगा, तभी लोग तुम्हारी रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे. Don't tolerate disrespect. If she disrespected you, call her out on that. If her friend disrespected you, call her out on that. Remember, if a girl respect you but did not love you, your relationship will go smoothly. But is deeply in love with you but didn't respect you, you're gonna have a hard time. Don't tolerate disrespect. A sub point here, don't date a girl who is older than you. तुम्हें बहुत difficulty होगी to make her follow your lead. You can date a girl who is same age as you, preferably girl should be younger than you. It was late December or early January. It was stupid cold. I had a fever at that time. If I want to talk to someone late at night, I have to do it in the kitchen. And in kitchen we have a broken window, so हमेशा वहाँ ठंड रहती थी. What happened is कि इसके भाई को पता चल गया था हमारे बारे में. And he was pissed. ये बहुत डरती थी कि इसके घर वालों को पता न चल जाए. I talked to her to convince her कि मैं सब संभाल लूँगा. I succeeded in that. I talked to her from 12 to 4 a.m. in cold. What I get in the morning after I just wake up, a text saying I don't want you. And then she didn't pick my call or reply to my message that whole day. This event made me realize that I was just a placeholder for her. She will leave me as soon as she find a new man, a better man than me. अगर तुम किसी लड़की के साथ हो तो तुम्हें ऑलरेडी पता होता है अंदर से कि वो तुम्हारी सच में केयर करती है, बस टाइम काट रही है. Don't put more effort than her. मैंने उसके लिए सब कुछ किया जो मैं कर सकता था, जो भी मुझे लगा कि इसको अच्छा लगेगा मैंने उसको ला के दिया. I was putting every effort that I can. I was there whenever she needed me, whenever she needed my support. She didn't even try to do things for me. I was putting my 110% in this. She is barely putting 1%. Remember, she needs to love you more. This is one time when she having her mood swings. मेरे घर पे पता चल गया तो क्या होगा, तू नहीं जानता, मुझे नहीं रहना तेरे साथ, मैं नहीं कर सकती ये continue. I tried to calm her down and convince her, but then I just let her go. You won't believe, just in 10 minutes she texted me and said I'm sorry for that, I will never do that again. I just overthink. Just after a few days, मैं नहीं कर सकती continue, घर पे पता चल गया तो क्या होगा. और ये इसका अकेले का नहीं है. Every female in the face of this planet doesn't do what she says. That's why the phrase is the man of his words, not person of its words. So I learned कि लड़कियां जो बोलती हैं उसको डेफिनेट मत समझो अगर उनके एक्शन उसको बैकअप नहीं कर. If she's saying I love you and doesn't care about you, then she's lying. If she's saying I can do anything for you और तुमको मिलने तक नहीं आ सकती, then she's lying. And if she's saying I will never leave you, then she is just lying. Never in the history of mankind this phrase I will never leave you becomes a reality. So don't believe her words if she's not taking suitable actions to back it up. This is the main reason why I suffered, because मैंने उसके साथ एक अलग ही रियलिटी बना ली थी. मैं उसके साथ ये करूँगा, मैं उसके साथ वो करूँगा, मैं उसको यहाँ ले जाऊँगा, मैं उसको वहाँ ले जाऊँगा. When the reality hit, all the things that I built in my mind comes crashing down. I know it's natural to expect love and affection from the person that you are with, especially when you didn't get it before. But it will make you suffer. It will leave you with scars that never heal. If you want a great relationship, she needs to expect more from you. Frankly speaking, she needs to be dependent upon you to fulfill her in every way. Think about it. जब तुम एक टॉकिंग फेज में रहते हो किसी लड़की के साथ और जब वो तुम्हें फ्रेंड जोन कर देती है, इतना तो क्यों होता? क्योंकि तुमने एक अलग ही रियलिटी बना ली थी उसके साथ, तुमने फ्यूचर तक सोच लिया था उसके साथ. मगर जब उस रियलिटी की पॉसिबिलिटी खत्म हो जाती है, दुख बहुत होता है. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट बिफोर और आफ्टर कमिंग इनटू रिलेशनशिप इफ यू डोंट वांट टू सफर. The date was 7. She was on FaceTime call with me saying how much she likes me, how much she wants to see me, how much she wants to hug me, kiss me, and how much she misses me. After that call, no message for next 5 days. And I got news that she got engaged. GG, good game. It took her 5 days to move on from me. It's more like an hour. And my stupid ass still misses her. Just for context, it's been 2 months since we last spoke. Texted, I still misses her. This is the most important lesson that you can get out of this situation. Girls can move on from you in literally minutes, no matter how loving you were, no matter how much care you put into her. My father died in 2017. That was the last time I cried on that video call when she's telling me about her engagement. मेरे आंखों से आंसू रुक नहीं रहे थे. She saw me in my most vulnerable time and she knows how much pain I was in. But 2 months have gone by and उसका एक simple "Are you even alive" का मैसेज तक नहीं आया. So listen up, lover boy. She doesn't give a fuck about how much you love her. She doesn't give a fuck about how much you care for her. Even if you die for her, she will come to your funeral with a new man. This is just a reality of women. And our stupid ass think that she feels sad or she misses us after breakup. Nah, she's talking to a new man already and you are crying for her. Listen up, come close. She doesn't give a fuck about you whether you live or die. So be prepared, क्योंकि कभी भी छोड़ के जा सकती है वो तुझे. तुम लोग सोच रहे हो कि मैंने ये वीडियो बस उसकी बिचिंग करने के लिए बनाई है, बट शी वॉज अ वंडरफुल पर्सन, जस्ट नॉट गुड फॉर मी, एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि जिसकी लाइफ में भी हो जाएगी उसकी लाइफ जन्नत बना देगी. बट शी मेड माइन अ लिविंग हेल. आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर माई ओल्डर सेल्फ एंड माई ब्रदर्स who are going through the same shit and will go through the same shit in the future. बस इन बातों का याद रखना और तुम्हें मेरी तरह सफ़र नहीं करना पड़ेगा. One bonus point for you: make yourself accountable for everything. If she doesn't love you anymore, it's your fault. If she played you, it's your fault. Everything in your life is your fault. तुम एक चूती की तरह सोच सकते हो कि मैंने सब सही किया बट मेरे साथ इतना गलत क्यों हुआ. इसमें तुम्हारी गलती है. तुम्हारी गलती ये है कि तुमने उसको चूज किया इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. तुम्हारे साथ उसने तुम्हारे साथ जो किया वो तुम्हारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, मगर तुम अपनी लाइफ में क्या होने देने का अलाउ कर रहे हो वो तुम्हारे हाथ में है. सो मेक योर सेल्फ अकाउंटेबल फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड मेक योर लाइफ बेटर. पुश योर सेल्फ, बिल्ड वैल्यू, शेयर विद अदर्स. रिपीट, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस.